Everybody keep blaming the algorithm. The truth is, the algorithm is not your problem. Let me explain. It's high time that we let the algorithm breathe. Honestly, the problem is us. It's not the algorithm. It's not even YouTube itself. Your first intro video is nothing to write home about. And why you are getting low view, it's not the algorithm. Your thumbnail matter. Yes, your title matter. What you put in your description box matter. You spend hours editing videos that you don't know anything about. So the algorithm is not your problem. And besides, you are the one confusing the algorithm because you post different types of niches. Today you post cleaning video. Tomorrow you post a sit down video. Next tomorrow you go and post different things. So how do you think the algorithm will understand what your viewers actually love? You talk about some particular topic today, tomorrow you go and talk about different thing. Does it make sense? So the algorithm is not your problem. You are the problem yourself. What you are talking about in the video is different from what you put in the thumbnail for people like me and other people to click to watch. When we click on your video, because of the thumbnail is so attractive, what we see in the video is different thing. You put in effort to film your video, but in that video there is nothing reasonable that you said in that video. It doesn't make sense. It's not working. It's not aligned with the thumbnail. It's not even aligned with the title. Let's assume you create a thumbnail and you tell us that, oh, I'm going to shopping in this place, and later we see you in the house now unboxing. Does it make sense to you? The algorithm will not even refer your video to people that are searching for shopping videos. The algorithm will refer your videos to people that are searching for unboxing video. And sometimes when we create thumbnail, unbox with me, we just put unbox with me. We don't put our picture and the product or goods that we want to unbox. So most of these things confuse the algorithm. Sometimes you can just make a thumbnail of try this out. What are we trying? You are not even telling the algorithm what the algorithm need to refer to people for people to try. Like for instance, like if the thumbnail says first time trying rice water, the algorithm will refer it to people that eat rice water. Like Ghanaians, for instance, Ghanaians eat rice water. There's a way they prepare it. The algorithm will refer them to Ghanaians and other countries that eat rice water. Not when you create a thumbnail, try this first, but when we see you start making rice in the pot. Does it make sense? And things you will now cut the video too. You will not show your viewers how you actually cook that rice, or what type of ingredients that you use in cooking that rice water. So all these things confuse the algorithm. The algorithm will not know what you are doing. The algorithm will not even review it will not. This happened to me until the other day. I posted on my other channel and I said that Ghana is for the rich, no cap. And my first 3 to 5 intro hook was Ghana is for the rich, no cap. Argue it in the comment section. And that video performed well, more than any other video that I have been posting. So if you don't know this, you will never know how the algorithm are actually treating our videos. Most creators might not tell you this, but I am telling you, let what you are talking about be in the thumbnail. The type of thumbnail you want to create is not all about attractive thumbnail. What is in that thumbnail? I went to Accra market to buy something, or this is to do. And when you see, you will click on the video to see how to do looks like. We are seeing you in the house. Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. I did this video because I saw a video where someone was talking about it on YouTube. The person was lashing a lot of YouTubers, and the guy was like, oh, I don't want to put the video here because of YouTube, you know, it will become like you have picked someone content. The guy was saying that some of you are something else. When you tell us eat with us, by that time you are cooking. He doesn't understand. If he has little data to kind of view the video, the data will finish before even getting to the point of what you put in the thumbnail. That's the major problem that we have. Anything that we want to sit down to talk about, if it's something that you want to review, talk about it in the first line after your intro, or between the intro. Or I'm going to be reviewing this gadget today, or I'm going to be reviewing my hair I bought, so this. And in the thumbnail, you have to create a thumbnail of, is this hair worth this price? Then you put a price in the thumbnail. Then when you film the video, is this hair worth this price? You showcase the hair. Is this hair worth $200? You guys, I want to know in the comment section. Let's get into this video. That's how a lot of viewers who hook to the video. They want to know why the hair is worth that money or is not worth it. So some of you that is blaming the algorithm, it's not the algorithm. It takes me time to know this. Before, I used to think, oh, the algorithm is not favoring us, the algorithm is not doing anything for us. But no, the algorithm pick what viewers like watching, viewers' interest. That's why sometimes when you go through your analysis, you see most video your viewer came back to come and rewatch because that video is truly interesting. I think you should pick up a correction from there.
I'm so excited.
Stop blaming the algorithm. And your over editing doesn't make sense to us. It doesn't make sense. Your over editing does not make sense. So if you tell us that you are going to visit someone and you did not put it in a thumbnail, all of a sudden inside that intro, and you didn't even tell us that this is the next day, so the video is just going straight, it doesn't make sense. That will not make the algorithm. I've truly come to understand how YouTube works. YouTube refer your videos to the particular viewers that video is fit for, and if they refer that video to those particular viewers, and if the viewers did not find interest in the video, that means they are going to be swiping away and your video will end up getting low view. So we should stop blaming the algorithm for our low view, for our video not performing well. What did you do inside that video? How did you want the algorithm to refer the video to most viewers that want it? So please improve and stop blaming the algorithm. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I will come your way again with a new tips on how to actually get 100 view, 88 view. We are starting small, don't make big eye. All right, thank you so much. Subscribe if you find this video interesting, and if this video educates you, please give it a thumbs up. I will come your way again in my next video. Put it down in the comment section in any area you are facing concerning your thumbnail or title, and I will help you out. Thank you so much. Please share this video as well. Bye. Please stop blaming the algorithm. The algorithm is not the problem to your low view. Thank you so much.